Hey guys, so this is a super easy project today. All you need to do is pick the image that you want to use in Cricut Design Space and hit attached. And then you'll want to click on Make It and make sure that you mirror the image. Since it's going to be an iron-on, you want to put the shiny side down and you'll browse all materials and select the material that you're using, which in my case it's an HTV non-Cricut vinyl. Next, we go ahead and we roll out the vinyl and we apply it again with a shiny side down, and I tape it so it's secure. And then I'm going to place it in the Cricut Maker and press the Cricut button or the play button and go ahead and it'll cut the image. Once you're done cutting the image, you'll want to weed the image. And next, I placed it on the t-shirt that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And you put it the shiny side down. And then I did it 3 inches from the top of the shirt. And then I ironed it for about 30 seconds using the Cricut Mini, and ta-da, it's all done. Super easy project. So, and again, thanks for watching my video. If you think this channel's for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.